Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And then you simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like today's. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and this way you guys will not miss out. I have a few things that I'm going to be discussing with you today that came to my attention late last night, and I decided that I would bump my regular video that I was going to plan on showing you guys. I have still a lot of unboxings that are going to be on the channel, as well as a lot of really cool things that I did, but I wanted to make sure that I got this one up today so that you guys wouldn't miss out. So let's get started. The first thing is the thing that's most important is IPSY. There's been some major changes on IPSY. You can also go on IPSY.com to get this information, but I wanted to share with you guys a couple of things. The first thing is on the 23rd of this month, you still are going to have your customization choices on your regular starter bag as well as the ultimate. The only change that's going on right now with IPSY is on their plus. They have now created a completely different system on how we are going to choose our products for our customization, and it's really exciting. It's called Build Your Bag, and this is going to be August the 1st through the 3rd. How it works, it's really simple. They are going to give us two that they're going to choose for us, and then they're going to give us a group of, I think, 12 products, and out of those 12 products, we will be able to choose 3 to customize in our bag. This is only for the plus guys. So I'm going to go through a couple of the things that are information and some questions that they had, and then I have 2 other things that I need to tell you guys that have nothing to do with boxes. It's some deals that are going on right now. So I just want to make sure that we get this one done first, because if you're at IPSY, I just want to make sure that you mark on your calendar that the 23rd is still the day where you are going to choose your customizations for your starter bag as well as your ultimate. The only change is on the plus. So what they wrote on this first page here, they say this is their new ultra personalization. You could choose 3 of 5 size faves. Discover 2 personalized picks from IPSY, which is what I explained. They're going to choose 2 for sure, and then we're going to get a choice to be able to, out of I think a group of 12, that we're going to be able to choose 3. And then it says see how it works. So let me just go here so I can show you guys all of this. But like I said, this is all stuff that you guys can see for yourself if you go on IPSY.com. This is everything you have to know about the personalization, but I was going to be filming what you're going to see next, so I said I might as well shoot this in. So if you're not aware of this and you're not near a computer but you have your phone, I just want you guys to know about this. So they're saying the Glam Bag Plus is now better than ever. They're so excited to introduce what they're calling the ultra personalization, your ticket to building your perfect bag. Every month from the 1st through the 3rd, you can now choose 3 of the 5 full-size items that are going to be in your Glam Bag Plus. You can also still shop your add-ons, and remember, it's shop your add-ons, which means there's cost for those, and see what 2 personalized faves IPSY has picked for you all in one go. If you're wondering how it works, you have any questions, everything is down below. But they did do a 30-second video that I want to share with you guys, and I'll talk over it because it's just music in the background, and I just want to make sure that you guys see it all here. So it's Build Your Own Glam Bag Plus. Every month from the 1st to the 3rd, IPSY picks 2 products for you. Then you choose the next 3. Step 2, you choose the 3 full size. You choose from 12 personalized options. So they are going to give us 12, and out of those 12, we're going to pick 3. You lock it in, and then it will bring you to that next page where you can shop your add-ons, and you can do 8 add-ons per bag. All right, so now here is some other information that they said. So what's new with the Glam Bag? It says, you asked, we listened, we wanted more choice for your Glam Bag, so we're giving you a beauty experience with even more flexibility and freedom. We're doing this by introducing what they call the ultra personalization. It's an experience that allows you to choose 3 products you want while you discover more from IPSY, making IPSY the most personalized and customized beauty membership on the market. So then they say, we've also given you a Glam Bag Plus makeover. Now all of your full-size faves will arrive in a takeaway drawstring Glam Bag. Plus, that's the size to hold all of your essentials for those lost lip balms and on-your-go makeup. And so now they're doing this drawstring bag. So they're saying your bag is always designed to each month's theme, so you know it'll be extra cute and different every month. So it's not going to be a pink bag. This, I think, is going to be their first bag. And from what I've seen on the sneaks for the bags, they're going to be these really silvery, really pretty bags. Anyways, it says your Glam Bag Plus will also be shipped in a new recycled mailer to minimize waste and keep your faves secure. So it's not going to be a box anymore. It's going to be a mailer. Then they're saying, when do I get to choose? You get to build your bag every month from the 1st through the 3rd, and it's always going to be at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is when you'll choose your 3 Glam Bag Plus products from a personalized assortment, discover the 2, and then it goes on and on. So on the 1st to the 3rd, it's at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Then how many products do they get to choose from? I already told you guys it's going to be 12 products. So it says for each choice spot in your Glam Bag Plus, remember you have all 3, you'll get to choose from a selection of at least 4 products we've picked just for you. That makes for 12 products total for you, 3 choices, because who doesn't love options? Just remember to make your choice. So we're going to check and see so we understand it better when we actually see it. But this is all my understanding. So, and if you guys understand it differently, please leave it in the comments down below, because I'm overly excited about this and I really only read through this once. So how many products are selected for me? All your Glam Bag Plus picks include your choice options. You pick just for using the IPSY match technology, which takes into account the beauty quiz as well as how you rate your reviews. So it is so important that if you don't like a product, you got to be honest in your reviews, because then the items will end up in your bag. And then it just goes on. Do I have to choose? The option is up to us, but why would you not choose? But if you miss it, not a problem. You're still going to get 5 full size. What about add-ons? The add-ons are still going to be available for us. And then it goes on, and the flash sale. So that's everything that's here. Like I said, all you got to do is go on IPSY.com and you will be able to see all of that. So now I just wanted to share that with you guys because this is brand new information. But why I wanted to do a video today was I came across this yesterday and I couldn't believe that I almost missed out. This here is from Macys, and they're doing a 10 days of glam. They're doing a 50% off daily beauty offer. It started on the 20th of July and it's going to run through the 29th, and it's an online only, and they're doing free shipping on your 10 days of glam purchase, but you got to put in the code GLAM10. Otherwise, free shipping starts at $25. So today's deal, which is the 21st, this is 50% off the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. It's the one that got me so hooked onto Too Faced. And they also have a 50% off Mario Badescu, and that's also $22.50 for their Super Peptide Serum. Mario Badescu is a really great line. Then these are the deals that are going to go on for the 10 days. So this one is going to be on the 22nd. I don't know this brand of this blow dryer, but I do know that mascara. That is from IT Cosmetics. It was their collaboration that they did with Dry Bar. On the 23rd, it looks like they're doing the dual eyeliner from Tarte, as well as this quad from Laura Mercier. Then they have on Friday, I don't know who that brush is from, but the Peter Thomas Roth is their Water Drench, which is a fantastic product. Then on the 25th, they look like they have powders from Too Faced. And if this on the left side here is from Purity, is from Philosophy, and if it's their Purity Mask, it is amazing. On the Sunday, they have, it looks like from Lancôme, the Mascara Monsieur, as well as some of the Benefit boxes that they have with the powders and the blushes and the bronzers. I own them. They're great. And then on the 27th, it looks like they have the Tardiest Pro. I think this is the Remix, which is also really, really good, as well as Dr. Perricone, a product from him. Then on the 28th, they have from Bobbi Brown, and if this is the cream, it's a cream that you can use as a primer and a moisturizer. I think it's their #1 product, and it's really, really good, as well as some eyeliners that are gel eyeliners from Urban Decay, and these are fantastic. They're the 24/7. They stay in the waterline. They come in an array of colors. It is really, really good. Then on the 29th, on the Wednesday, they have, it looks like some products from MAC as well as Origins. And then what we missed out on Sunday was they had the Smashbox Primer Oil, as well as it looks like some other product from Smashbox, but also from what I can see, because it's faded out, is some these concealers from Bare Minerals in Bare Skin. I own these and they were really good as well. Then on top of it, they have other deals that are going on during this time. So always make sure to scroll down and see. They're not going to be 50% off, but the prices are going to be really, really good. And there might be something in here. But I just wanted to bring to your attention on the top here, they have from IT Cosmetics. This is my favorite brush that got me hooked on the brushes from IT Cosmetics. But I want to tell you guys that I get all my IT Cosmetic brushes when QVC does kits, because QVC does these amazing kits when they have a sale from IT Cosmetics. I have not received any, and I used to do it also when I was in Canada from the shopping channel. These brushes are $48 on their own. So even on sale, this brush is a $33 brush. So I always tell you guys, if QVC is running an IT Cosmetics deal, always, I literally sometimes bought the kits seriously for the brush. These brushes are that good, but I do not want you guys, $33 is a lot of money for a brush, but this is my #1 brush that I love from IT Cosmetics. Then, as I said, you just scroll through. They have a bunch of deals going on that from every brand that you just have to scroll it down. So you just go on to Macys.com and you type in and the search 10 days of Glam, and you'll be able to see all of these deals. But there's another area that I want you guys not to miss out. And this is what you're going to see here. You see how it says here, created for Macy's? So what you do is in the search bar, you type in beauty created for Macy's, and you will see all these fantastic kits that are created solely for Macy's. So to me, this is very similar to the, when Sephora gets products made for them, or ULTA has products made for them. This is the same thing here, from my understanding. So what I liked was I saw some kits that reminded me like of a Sephora Favorites in that sense. But with Sephora Favorites, it's other brands that are the favorites at Sephora. This is, I think, products that Macy's puts their name on. So I think it's more like the brand is going to be a Macy's brand. I don't think these are going to be brands that we know. So the kits are fantastic. So like, as you can see here, this 3 brush set, which they're like no names, but they're created for Macy's. They're normally $30, but they're going to be $14.99. And remember to put in that other code to get the free ship. Otherwise, if you have at least $25 in your cart, you will get the free shipping at $25. But here's a whole lip kit that's normally $20 and it's going to be $9.99. There's some reviews on these, so you'll be able to check those out as well. But this is what caught my eye. They have, let me see if I can tilt this a little bit this way. They had these type of kits where this is normally $35. It's going to be for $24.99. It is created for Macy's. It is a 9-piece sun care set, and these were all brands. Kula is in there, Tantal is in there, Sunbum is in there. It's all these kits, and you can click on them to get more information on it, as well as this here, this quad looks like it is more brands that are, it's their name. So there's a mixture of ones that have brands in the kits, and then there's the items that are made for Macy's. But this is what blew me away. If you're a little short on getting to the $25, you can get kits that are normally $5. That now they're $1.99, but this is the one that caught my eye. This is a 5-piece Friday night in set. It's created for Macy's. It was a value of $47. Normally it's $25. It's going to be on sale for $19.99. It has the Smashbox primer in there. It looks like it has the Tarte oil in there. It looks like it has a small item from Buxom and things like that. So like I'm telling you, just go on Macys.com and then you'll be able to check those two things out. But the first most important thing is the 10 days of Glam, because as you saw, if you don't get it on that day, it's not available at that price anymore. And then this is the page that I want you to go to next, which is called Created for Macy's. And they have sheets, they have a bunch of things. So if you filter it down and you can just put in beauty, you will only get the beauty area. But the 10 days of Glam is all beauty. So this is what it is here. So it's the 10 days of Glam, 50% off of daily beauty offers. From the 20th to the 29th, it's online only. It's free shipping on your 10 days of Glam purchase with the code GLAM10. Otherwise, like I said, it's free shipping for $25. So wanted to share all that with you guys today. I am so excited to have the opportunity to quickly get this up for you so that you guys will not miss out, because like I said, I came across this late last night and I was like, wow, I should get up and get this out for you guys so you guys can know what's going on. If you are enjoying my content, I really would love you guys to, underneath this video, there is a little thumbs up area. If you press it, the number will go up and it will turn blue. It will help me up a lot on my newer channel, to bring my channel to the attention of YouTube, to then put my channel in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they like this type of content. So thank you so much. It's almost like YouTube gives me a shout out, but it has to come from you guys giving me that thumbs up. So take that second, go right underneath this video. Like I said, the number will go up and it will turn blue. It's that thumbs up button. All right. Once again, everybody, I appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. But most importantly, I want everybody to continue to stay safe and stay well. Don't forget those dates for IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Excited to share all the new that's going on. And hopefully if there's a deal that you want and I was able to share that information with you, I'm happy that you are a subscriber. All right, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care for now. Bye.